Hi guys, it's Miss Heinert, and I have seen you guys working really hard on writing a story this week. You created a character with Miss Hellbaum, and you added a setting with Mrs. Walker. Well, now it's time to decide what the problem is going to be in our story. So let's look at our stories that you've written so far. My story is the same as Mrs. Walker's story, and that is about a dog. So I've been trying to think, what is a problem that a dog might have? And I know that my dog sure loves his bones. And so a problem that my dog might have is if he lost his bone. So that's what I'm deciding my problem is going to be for my story. Now remember, you're going to create your own problem for your story. But let's see how I add my problem to my story. So, so far I have written exactly what you worked on with Miss Hellbaum and Miss Walker. Once there was a dog named Molly. She is brown and she is nice. Molly lived with her family on a farm. So let's start with one day Molly noticed that her bone was missing. Now, after something goes missing, what's the first thing you do? Well, I know that I go and I look for whatever's missing. So that's probably what should go next in my story. Um, this is all still part of the problem because we haven't found a solution to the problem yet. So I'm adding on to my problem. One day, Molly noticed that her bone was missing. Hmm, I sometimes, when I miss something, I ask somebody to help me look for it. So I think that that's what Molly's going to do too. She asked all of her friends, and none of them had seen it. Hmm. So now I have to think, how long are we going to search for the bone before our solution comes up? And guess what? Because I'm an author, I get to decide. So when I think about that, I think that Molly probably looked for her bone for a whole day. So after, oops, after searching day and night, no one could find Molly's bone. Okay, now that's the end of my problem. And I know it's the end of my problem because next I'm going to come up with a solution. We're going to find Molly's bone. So today, all I want you to do is add your problem to the character and setting that you have made with Miss Hellbaum and Miss Walker. Okay, so the story you already had written, I want you to add a problem onto that story. And then remember, you need to hold on to that because we're going to keep adding on tomorrow when you and I discuss a solution to your story. So I can't wait to see all of the problems that you guys come up with. Have a lovely day.